Did you know that love can be heard without sound? In a quiet art gallery in Florence, opera singer Valentina watched a deaf sculptor named James carve melodies he'd never heard into cold marble. She approached him, her hands dancing in sign language, describing the crescendo of Puccini, the whisper of Debussy. James fell in love not with her voice, but with the fire in her eyes when she spoke of music. For months, she taught him to feel symphonies through vibrations against his chest. He showed her how silence could be beautiful too. They were perfect together, two souls speaking different languages of art. Then cancer stole her voice forever. Valentina disappeared from his life, believing she had nothing left to give. But James had been secretly learning to read lips their entire relationship. He'd been hearing her voice all along, not through his ears, but through watching her speak. His final sculpture revealed everything. Carved into marble were the exact shapes her lips made when she said, "I love you." Her voice would live forever in stone, even though she could never sing again.